Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the mukbang show where I don't jump up and down and freak out unless it's actually spicy. I generally don't do that anyways. So, today we've got one from South Korea. This is Paldo with their Volcano Carbonara chicken variety. And I've been wanting to try this for quite a while, and I figured, I should do a mukbang of this. So, I decided that's what I'm doing today. And here's what we've got. All I did was put some scallions on it. Nothing else. You boil the noodle for 5 minutes. You drain it, saving 2 tablespoons water. And then you add that in along with the sauce and powdered seasoning. So when I usually do this, I need my kids. And the last few times I've done this, they haven't been around. They've been at school, but it's summer. So over there are Miles. Say hi, Miles.
Hi.
And Mimi. Say hi, Mimi.
Hi.
And I'm going to ask them for a good, hearty, ready, set, go in a moment. You guys enjoying summer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, having fun?
Yeah.
Good. That's good. All right. All right, give me a ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
The noodle's quite nice and thick. The heat is there. Like I said, it's been a long time since I did one of these, so you might see me freaking out a little bit. I did the Volcano chicken curry the other day. Just didn't like it so much. It just didn't say curry to me. As for the flavor on this one, I wouldn't say so much it says carbonara. It seems like it's got a cream sauce. Are we recording? Yes. And yes, it's happened before that I've gotten through an entire mukbang and realized I never hit the record button. And that's a real bummer. So it's definitely quite hot. I would say it's not as hot as the Volcano curry because of the creamy element to this. I feel like I'm getting a slight hint of basil, and I think that could be actually happening or not. But I think adding basil into this, that might be quite nice. Like a lot of basil. Done. So what do you think? Eat it all?
Yeah.
Yeah? And do you guys want to try spicy noodles?
No.
No?
I don't know.
You don't know? Maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
It's got a kick to it. I don't know. This is pretty spicy. So yeah, if you like the spicy stuff, this might be for you. Anyways, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
Wish you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Yeah, it's been a while for them too. Have a good one.
Bye bye.